A federal high court in Abuja has refused to grant the bail application of suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police Abba Kyari. Justice Inyang Eko, in a ruling, held that the application had been overtaken by events following an order by another court granting the NDLEA's prayers to detain Mr. Kyari for another 14 days to enable it to conclude its investigations. Justice Eko noted that the sister court, which gave the order in favor of NDLEA on 22nd February, was a court of coordinate jurisdiction. The court is inclined to hear Mr. Kyari's fundamental right enforcement suit with the urgency it deserves after the expiration of the 14-day court order. The case has been adjourned till March the 15th. And TVC News reporter Celestina Ria joins me now from Abuja to give us details. Celestina, what more can you tell us? We know that the DCP had applied for bail. I think that was last week. What more can you tell us about this?
Okay, Precious, whatever issues the suspended DCP has against the NDLEA as it pertains to its fundamental rights enforcement would have to wait till March 15th. And we know the reason he brought an ex parte motion before the court, that was last week. He said he has chronic diabetes and also hypertension and requires urgent medical attention. And also, the judge asked his counsel, Mrs. Obamajo, to put the NDLEA on notice because the advertisement and the allegations he leveled against the NDLEA was very weighty. So the judge said it's important for the NDLEA to be heard before he can take any decision. So she did that, and she served the NDLEA. And the last adjourned, they were in court. Also, after they agreed that processes have been exchanged, then she also tried to move the bail application. But the NDLEA objected, saying that the application for bail, they don't have a process, if any process with regards to that, to respond. That was on Thursday. So today now at the sitting, the NDLEA told the court that there is a subsisting order permitting them to hold Mr. Kyari above the 48 hours required by law because they had gotten an order from a court with coordinate jurisdiction with the Federal High Court. And so the Federal High Court cannot also sit on that very matter, which said that Mr. Kyari will be with them for 14 days pending the investigation. So the court said, yes, the order subsists and is a court of coordinate jurisdiction. The court cannot do anything about it till the order elapsed. And they have to come back on the 15th of March to hear his suit with speed.
I mean, I think for the first time, one can say that the judiciary we're not seeing that conflicting judgment from the judiciary, which is a good thing. But he filed for the application based on health grounds. Does this mean that he has to wait till March the 14th to find out if he can, or March the 15th rather, to find out if he gets bail or not?
Yes, he has to wait till March 15th. And we want to believe that the NDLEA has all the necessary apparatus to take care of him. And we also know that it's someone that is healthy that can stand trial. He said he has chronic diabetes and hypertension. So we really believe that the NDLEA will not do anything to jeopardize his health. And part of the substantive matter, which has to do with this fundamental right enforcement, he is asking for 500 million naira compensation, stating that his right was violated and the NDLEA detaining him above the 48 hours. That was before they came to procure the order to grant it for extra 14 days. It was unlawful. And also he asked that an apology be published to 2 national dailies. And the fact that the NDLEA subjected him to media trial without giving him fair hearing, without hearing from him, or rather without establishing a prima facie case against him, is a violation of the right. So all these substantive matters have not been heard. It just has to do with the issue of his bail and also the ex parte motion. So come on the 15th of March, we will hear the main issue as it pertains to his fundamental right enforcement suit.
All right, thank you so much, Celestina. Keep an eye on that story for us. Our judiciary correspondent, Celestina Ria, live for us in Abuja.